Good day. How are you all doing? Welcome to this video, my friends. Welcome to this video about weight loss, because that is what we are here to talk about today, weight loss. And it is actually something that people try to do every day, every hour, every second. You know, weight loss is something that it's tricky. There's this thing to it that gets people stressed out, that gets people anxious about it. So if you're trying to achieve weight loss, but you actually cannot, and you have absolutely no idea what's going on with your bodies, then today I'm here to talk to you about your mitochondria function, which is this little enzyme in our bodies that is responsible for weight loss. So that could be your situation, you know, and I'm here to talk to you about a supplement known as Mitolyn that can actually help you target your mitochondria function and help you start losing lots of weight. So on that note, I left Mitolyn's official webpage in the description box of this video, because you got to remember one thing really important here, guys. If you want to get started with this supplement, you need to be purchasing it only on their official webpage, because they have good prices. They have, you know, a safe purchase, and customer service is always there as well to help you. So yeah, you can be just going there directly to learn more about it. Anywho, the door is going to slam. Okay, no, it's not. Anywho, Mitolyn holds this fantastic blend of natural ingredients. We're talking about maki berry as its main ingredient because it's filled with antioxidants, but there is also amla, there is also, rhodiola rosea, and other ingredients as well. It's a total of 6. And all of the ingredients that you get in Mitolyn, each and every one of them help you to increase your mitochondria. If you have absolutely no idea what that is, it's this enzyme in our bodies that can help us fuel up our bodies, you know, provide us with more energy. And it also gets our metabolism boosted, so it helps with weight loss as well. And it's quite interesting because its level needs to be pretty high. So usually when people cannot lose weight, it's because their mitochondria function is actually really low. And all of these natural ingredients that you get in Mitolyn help you boost your mitochondria, but it also helps with other benefits. You know, basically Mitolyn can help you to lose weight. It can help you to maintain your hearts healthy. It helps you stabilize your cholesterol and your blood pressure levels. It helps you to have better vision. It takes care of your skin. It provides you with anti-inflammatories, antioxidants. So there's pretty much a lot of great things you can be getting out of this natural supplement. And you just got to remember to stay focused on your treatment, okay? That's like really important. You cannot interrupt it the minute you start using it. And the manufacturers always suggest that you can use it for 3 months or 6 months, which is a full treatment, which is the best one to do. And, you know, along the way, if you started using Mitolyn but you don't like it, there's a 90-day money-back guarantee, okay? So that's pretty interesting that you can just have your money back and everyone's happy, okay? So remember, weight loss is easy with Mitolyn. It's fast, and it also helps you with your overall health. So if I were you, I'd pop over to that official webpage link right here. You know, it's a click away, and get to learn a little bit more about it. And who knows, maybe even give it a shot, okay? Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.